meeting you with a view to a kill.
Welcome back to the channel, Cushard Guns and Armor. We're going to get right into this review here. This Jennings Firearms J22. Really neat, really compact little gun. It's definitely an older model for sure. Now before you get confused, we did have this newer model. It's kind of like a James Bond gun, at least it looks like it to me. But it's broken, unfortunately. Doesn't feed at all, so we're not going over that one. Just mainly this older model of J22. Now if you don't know, 9 a.m. on Wednesdays and 9 a.m. on Sundays is when we do our postings. We post on Wednesdays more gear review. We're gonna try to get more towards gun reviews on that day as well. But mainly 9 a.m. on Sundays is when we post our gun reviews. So y'all seem to really like that. We want to try to expand that more to get you all the content that you want to see. So thank y'all. Let's get right into this review. With a 2.5-inch barrel and an overall length of 4.9 inches, really not a bad deal. Decent accuracy and really good concealability. This J22 has a straight blowback action and only weighs 0.75 pounds. The overall height of the gun is only 3 inches, so that makes it really easy to fit inside of a pocket. In terms of the feeding system, it has a 6-round detachable box magazine. Not too many rounds there, but good enough for a backup gun. Maximum effective range is about 25 yards. We recommend definitely getting closer than that, but at least that's your maximum effective range. So we're out on the range today. Like I said, we got our Jennings Firearms J22 here, a little 6+1 action. And the ammo we're gonna be using is our Thunderbolt from Remington. Great ammo. It's more of just like cheap, out on the range kind of ammo, but we found that it is very reliable when we're out shooting a lot in most of our firearms. And it's really just a little round nose, nothing too special there. So it's your average 22 round, but it seems to feed pretty well. So let's put it to the test in our gun. So this Saturday night special here did pretty well, fed very well. We used that Thunderbolt from Remington, like we said, does very well amongst all of our firearms that we have, bolt action, semi-autos, does very well with 22. So look into that. Now in terms of the grip here, leaves a lot to be desired. It's not anything like that M&P 2.0 we went over with a super aggressive grip. Now you're not getting much recoil, so you're not gonna need to hold on like a monkey grip here, but it's definitely something to look into. Now the slide itself, not bad. You can do it with 2 fingers here, barely pinching. Anybody with a low grip strength could do it very easily. The safety itself, very quick, very easy little slide here. The magazine, very simple, but just not as accessible as it could be on other firearms, so something to look into. But overall, the gun did very well. Recoil, loads, great backup gun. So one additional interesting fact about this is,
how old is that gun, Skyler?
Pretty old.
That old is in August of 1982. That was my first concealed weapon purchased as I graduated high school. So it is a little bit old.
Little good bit old, I'd say for sure.
Yes, old, but not obsolete.
Overall, this J22, not a bad little backup gun. You could have your main carry, then have this in your pocket. It's got those filed down little sights, so it's not gonna get caught on your way trying to draw it out of your pocket. So that's great. Now, for a price of only $100 to $120, can you complain about that? I mean, seriously, that's a great deal for this little thing. It's only 6+1 in terms of capacity, but that's not bad for a backup gun. But seems to be pretty reliable. I mean, we didn't put hundreds and hundreds of rounds, more like just a few hundred. So not too bad. Feeding, we did have a few get caught in, but not too big of a deal. Don't like the mag release down here at the bottom. It should be up here, so a little bit more to be desired with that. But manual safety, it's got it if you need it. I prefer not to have it, so I would probably just carry without that, to be honest. But slide's not too bad. If you got someone who doesn't have great grip strength, great for that. So overall, great gun. Look into it if that's the style of firearm you're looking for. Now, thank y'all for watching. We always love doing reviews. If you have a gun you'd love to see, please comment down below. One y'all had asked, that Savage 64F. We're gonna be doing a review on that very, very soon. So look forward to that. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. We'll see you in the next one.
Let's have some fun.
I don't wanna be just another face in the crowd. Keep quiet when this voice inside was meant to be loud. Sick and tired